Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at generating a custom test report in ATI Galileo. I've already opened up the ATI window, and to get started I'm going to come up here to the Reports tab. And once that loads, I'm going to come down to Custom. I want to choose a custom test report. So I'm going to click there. And I'm going to come over here to create a custom test report. Now I need to choose a school, which you will not need to do because your school is already selected as a school user. Now, the first thing I want to do is select a form. And the first form I am going to select is going to be general information. This is going to give me some fields that I can select. So, if I want to see my student ID included in the report, I will choose that. Last name, first name. And I can drill this data down as deep as I want to go. I can add a student's grade level, their gender, and even their birth date if I want. Now, you'll notice that there is no information on school programs. So to drill down a little bit deeper, I'm going to go back here to Form. I'm going to click on it again, and I'm going to go just a little bit further and select TUSD Student Information. Now, you will see that I have some more choices, and the fields I already selected are still there. So let's drill down a little deeper. I can look at ethnicity, I can look at ELL status, I can look at special ed status, I can look at gate. So I've got quite a selection here of information. Over here to the right, I can choose to include the school name, which you'll already know, so you really don't need that. I can include the school and class information, and I can include the school, class, and teacher information. Those are options. Now, I come back down, and I'm going to select a library. So for today, we're going to select the 7th grade library. And I would like to see the student test results for math during this current school year. So the first test I want to see is the pre-test. Then the second test I want to see is the progress monitoring 1. I double click on the tests that I want, and they're added to my soon to be created report. I have some options that I can select in here. If you're looking to look at rank of student scores from highest to lowest, you can just use the developmental level score, the DL score. That's going to be the constructed number that ATI has built, and it will relate to the FAME scales that ATI constructs based on our students' performance. You could add some other elements if you would like to. Now, I'm going to come down here, and I am going to name the file. We're going to call it video sample, and I will click on Create File. Now, ATI will go through and it will generate the data report for me. So I'm going to click on that. All right, now it has generated, and it takes you back to this screen. Now, come back up here to the top, you'll see this is now changed to Custom Test Report Activity. And this is going to show me reports that have been generated. Now, for this school, which in this sample is Mansfeld, you can see that they've generated a number of reports. But you'll also see that our report, video sample, has not appeared yet. ATI will refresh the data every 15 seconds until this test appears. When this test appears, you will want to right-click on it, and you will want to save the file, or as I'm working on a Mac, you will want to download the file. So I come down here and my file has appeared. Now, what happens if I just right-click on this file? Well, let's find out. If I just click on this file to open it, well, there's my data. But you can see everything is squished together. So I've got lots of data, but it's not in a usable form. So I'm going to right-click, and I am going to save this file. And then I need to go and use another application, such as Excel, to open the file. That'll be in our next video. To summarize, this video showed you how to develop a custom test report using ATI Galileo. The results from this file will be used in Microsoft Excel to further analyze student data. If you have any questions about this video, please give me an email or give me a call, and we'll be glad to help you further. Thank you.